Hello, I am Pradeep. Today we have started a new tutorial series on Codesys with special reference to structured text. In today's tutorial, we are going to cover the following topics. In this project, we are going to create a simple project. I will show you how to configure hardware in Codesys. We will write a small programming structure test and visualize it, and we will run the program. And don't worry if you don't have the actual hardware. Let's dive into it. Open the Codesys. Now we will create a simple program. We will start from scratch. Create a new project. Here you can select the target according to your hardware. I don't need it now. We can, if we have actual hardware, we can do it later on as well. Right now we see just how to write the structure text in Codesys. So I can do it. Now select the program language in which you are going to write a logic. I am writing this in structure text. Click on OK. This is our editor for writing program in structure text. I will show one more thing. If you have to configure the actual PLC, in that case, after selecting the target, you have to select the communication parameter. For that, you have to go in online, then communication parameter, in which you create a channel through which you can communicate with the PLC. In this, just you have to create one channel, create new, give IP address, and click OK. The communication channel will be ready for you. Otherwise, you can take any communication address which was created earlier, and just make sure that the IP address of the controller matches. That's the only thing. Right now we don't have any hardware. Just there see how to write the logic in structured text. In this tutorial series, we are going to cover one assignment list I have. This is the assignment list. For today, we are going to cover this first assignment, and tutorial by tutorial, we are going to cover the whole assignments given in this PDF. These are near about 20 examples are here. For today, we will do the first example, and the logic is going to be written in the structured text. That is the motto of today's tutorial. Structured text is like a high-level programming language. It will be easy for you if you are already familiar with the computer languages like C, C++, Python, or C#. Let's start coding for the assignment 1. Go through the problem statement. When input 1 and input 2 are off, lamp Q1 should become on and lamp Q2 should become on. When input 1 and input 2 are on, lamp 2 should become on and lamp 1 should become on. In short, when my both inputs are off, both inputs are 0, my lamp 1 should be on. And in the case of lamp 2, my both input should be high, then my lamp 2 will be high. This is a problem statement. Let's see how we're gonna do it in structure test. Uh, this is a PLC PRG. This is a main program from where execution of program starts. If you create any function in this program, you have to call it in PLC PRG in order to execute this program. Uh, let's let's start the coding for the problem statement. I'll write. You must be familiar with the control statements if you know a little bit about the computer programming languages like C or C++. Let's start. If input 1 input 1 is equal to, let's see once again the program statement. If my input 1 and input 2 are false, my output 1 should be on. Okay, let's implement this. In Codesys, as soon as you declare the variable, one pop-up pops up, in which you have to select the class of variable. This will be my input variable, and this will be my boolean address. Okay, if input 1 is equal to false, in structure text we use logical operators like and, or, not. According to problem statement, we have to use and input 2 is equal to false, then here you have to select the type of variable input 2. This is gonna be an input variable and type will be boolean. Yes, this is a statement. If input 1 is equal to false and input 2 is equal to false, we have to make Q1 lamp on. See here, if input 1, input 2 is equal to false, we have to turn on the lamp 1. So we will write for this, then output 1 colon is equal to true, and don't forget to give a semicolon. For output 1 as well, you have to define the class of variable, and output 1 variable will be of class variable output, and type will be boolean. This is my first condition. In second condition, if my both input true, then my output 2 should be true. For that, we are going to use else if keyword. Else if just copy paste this. In this case, my input 1 and input 2 are going to true. Just replace false with true. And in this condition, when my both inputs are true, then my output 2 is going to be true. As soon as you come to the next line, it will ask you for type of variable for output 2. Here it is. The class of variable will be output and type will be boolean. Click on OK. Here is your logic. look at the truth table. If both input are false, my output 1 is true. If both inputs are true, my output 2 is true. Else, in else condition, we will keep both output to false. Okay, my OP1 will be false. Control C. Don't forget to use in column. Control C. Change this output 1 to output 2. And make sure that after completing the if structure, it will end with end if statement. End underscore if semicolon. This will be my program. Let's create a visualization for this. For visualization, go to Visualization tab, right click on Visualization and add objects. For default visualization, you have to give the name PLC underscore visual. This will be your starting screen. This will be the control lamp. Take the object. Just we have to write only text. So just I am giving a heading for this visualization. I will give lamp control. Lamp control. You can change the text as well, font size, everything. Font style will be bold, font size will be 18. Click on OK. As soon as it gets changes will take effect. For lamp control, we are going to give 2 buttons. For button, just click on rectangle and drag the desired size of the rectangle. Right click on it. This will gonna be act as button for us. Text of button, here you can decide the rectangle you want. I will take a radius rectangle. For radius rectangle, the corner will be curved. Give the text input 1. I will give it input 1. After that, you have to give, if you show the color, then the default color will be white. Okay. And alarm color means when your state of variable changes. Let's see, if I press the button, I made a green color. So choose green here and connect the variable for change color. Just click here and press F2. You will get the input assistant window and select your input. This is input 1. This is for input 1. And in this field, select the kind of button you want. Actually, I want a toggle button, and select the tag for that. Again, get a tag, press F2 and select the tag you want. This will be the best method. Selecting tag by pressing F2. There are less possibilities to make errors by here. Okay, click on OK. Now do same for the input 2 as well. Just copy paste, control C, control V. Just we need to change. We need to change the tag name only. All the properties will remain same. To go into the configuration, double click on this. We will get into the configuration and change the text from input 2 to input 1 to input 2, and color as we copied the previous element, so it will inherit the properties of the first input 1 button. So no need to make any changes here, just change the variable name. Here instead of input 1 it will be input 2, otherwise you can select from input assistant by pressing F2. Where is your input 2? Make sure that only one tag is there. Then again change it to input 2. Click on OK. These two buttons will act as our input. Now we will take circle for visualization. This will be my output 1, and double click on this. Give text to this element as output 1 OP1, and go into color property. Inside by default it will be white. When tag goes high it will change to green, so I clicked on green and click OK. Now give the variable for change color. In this case press on function F2, as this is where this will visualize my output 1, so I have given OP1. Click on OK. Just copy this and paste it again, and in this element just change the variable from OP1 to OP2 and text as well from OP1 to OP2. Click on OK. Now we will see how to simulate this program in Codesys. This is my control. First of all, rebuild the program just to make sure if there are any errors. You can see here 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now go online. Make sure that you are in simulation mode. Log in and then run. Now we will check whether the logic is running as per our problem statement. Okay, let's see here. Uh, my both inputs are false right now. Input 1 and input 2 are false. Input 1 and input 2 are false. My output Q1 should be on. So you can check here my output 1 is true and same is visualized in the PLC V2 screen. Output 1 is true. Now we will make the I2 high. I will press input 2. My this is input 1 is 0, input 2 is 1. My both outputs are low. My both outputs are low. Now we will check the third condition. This will be my 0 condition and this will be 1. In this case as well, both output will be low. Now we will check the third condition. Input 1 and input 2 are high. If both inputs are high, my output 2 will be high. Just make sure that my both inputs are high. Input 1, input 2 are true. My output 2 is true. And if my both inputs are low, my output 1 will be should be high. Let's see. Both inputs are high. My output 1 is true. Now log out. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for coming tutorials, as we are going to cover all the assignments given in the PDF. Now in next tutorial, next video, we are going to show you how to write structure post program for this control motor. And as you go tutorial by tutorial ahead, you will see the difficulty of program will be increased. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.